Alright, let's go over constants of proportionality. So first we're going to start with the equation, and we need to graph that. So again, start with a chart. So I'm going to just start with -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. I'll start with my positives, so I'm going to put that 2 in for x. So 2 times 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 2 is 4. 2 times 0 is 0, plus 2 is 2. 2 times -1 is -2, plus 2 is 0. 2 times -2 is -4, plus 2 is -2. So now I can plot these, so I got a point at -2, -2, -1, 0, 0, 2, 1, 4, and 2, 6. Connect my points, then make a line, so I know I did that correctly. Alright, so now I'm given 2 points, -8, -5, so let's plot that point. So I go to -8 on my x, so that's left, and then down 5. So I got a point right there, -8, -5, and then one at -3. So I go left 3, positive 2, so up 2. So I can connect those points, make a line, and pretend that went through the point. And then let's find my slope. So I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my slope, which is always change in y over my change in x. So my slope is 7 for my x, or my change in y is 7. Let me say that correctly. And now let's look at my x. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on my x in a positive direction. So my slope is 7 over 5. Alright, so now I'm given that the slope is 1 over 3, and it goes through the line -1, -3. So first you're going to start with plotting that point. So I'm going to put a point at -1, -3. So 1 left, 3 down, put my point. And then my slope is 1 over 3. Remember, slope is always change in y over change in x. So I'm going to go up 1, right 3. So up 1 takes me to -2, and then right 3 is going to take me to positive 2. Then keep doing that. Up 1 is to -1, plus 3 is 5. Up 1, so that would take me to 0, plus 3 would take me to 8. So connect my points and draw my line. If you wanted to go the other way, it would be negative and negative. So I would go down 1 over left 3. So my point would be right there. Obviously, I didn't draw a very straight line there. But if I had a ruler, I would have had a straight line. Alright, so now I'm going to given a chart, and we need to find the proportionality here, and then write an equation based off of that. So first, always start with your change in y. So to get from 44 to 66, that's plus 22. 66 to 110, that's going to be plus 44. And then 110 to 32 is going to be plus 22. Do the same thing for your x's. So 2 to 3 is plus 1. 3 to 5 is plus 2. 5 to 6 is plus 1. Then you can make a ratio out of all these. So I have 22 over 1, 44 over 2, 22 over 1. And then 22 over 1 equals 22. 44 divided by 2 is going to equal 22. And 22 over 1 is going to equal 22. So this is proportional because I got the same ratio for all of those. So now I just make my equation here. So my distance, we'll call that D, equals 22 miles times my time. So distance equals 22t. So it doesn't matter what number I put in for my time, I can figure out how far I'm going to travel.